How to turn on or off silent mode on Android without using slider. On this video, I'm going to show you the easy trick to turn on or turn off silent mode on your Android device without using sliders. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Sometimes due to different reasons, your slider might be not working or basically or generally what we do in order to turn on or off silent mode is we use the volume down button. When you click on volume down button, you will see the panel at the left side here. So let's tap on three dots, and in order to turn on the silent mode, we usually make this media sound to zero in this way, and the ring and the notification also to zero, and then the silent mode will be turned on. But if those volume down button or any slider that help also turn on or off silent mode is not working, then I'll show you the alternative way. The alternative way is simply you need to go ahead and open the settings on your device. Once you open it, you have to scroll down and select sound and vibration. So in this page also you will see the sound mode option. Simply tap on it, and if it is set on ringing mode, you can simply select the silent mode and turn on the silent mode on your Android without using sliders. Also you can tap on it again, and if you wish to turn off the silent mode, you can either select ringing or the vibrate mode, and your silent mode will be turned off. So that's how we easily turn on or off silent mode on Android without using slider. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.